Deskera CRM tutorial for beginners master sales and customer management in 6 easy steps. Sign up and log. Go to deskera.com, create an account, and access the CRM module from the dashboard. Add contacts. Go to CRM, Contacts. Click Add Contact. Enter customer details: name, email, phone, company. Create deals under CRM. Deals. Click Add Deal, name it, set a value, stage, expected close date, and assign it to a contact. Customize sales pipeline. Use the drag and drop Kanban board to move deals through stages like lead in, contacted, proposal sent, won lost. Log activities and follow-ups. Go to a deal or contact and log calls, meetings, notes, or set reminders for follow-ups. Track with dashboards and reports. Use built-in CRM analytics to monitor sales performance, conversion rates, and deal values.